To buy and sell meme coins. The process is relatively straightforward. First, you need to open Telegram, either on the web or through the app, and search for a specific bot on Solana that has a large user base, with over 300,000 monthly users. Once you've found the bot, you can start it and access the menu, where you have the option to either buy or sell. If you choose to buy, you will be prompted to enter the token symbol or address of the coin you want to purchase. For example, if you want to buy Solana, you can type in SOL and the bot will provide you with the necessary information to complete the transaction. After buying, you can also sell your tokens by hovering over the menu and clicking on Sell, which will list any tokens you own and allow you to sell them. Alternatively, you can click on Start and then Buy to initiate the purchasing process, at which point you will need to enter the token symbol or address of the coin you're interested in, which can be easily found by searching online. Overall, the process is quite simple, and with these steps, you should be able to buy and sell meme coins with ease.